Hello, everybody. I'll be showing you how to use Zoom breakout rooms. The first thing is you need to really enable it. By default, breakout rooms will not be enabled. So you just have to log into your account, visit zoom.us, go to my account. Okay, once you log in, go to settings. At the left-hand side, you'll find settings. Click that. And then again here you'll find basics and advanced. Click in meeting advanced and you'll find breakout room. By default it will be off, so you just have to enable it and then also select take this allow host to assign participants to breakout room when scheduling it. This will enable so you can decide which participant goes to which group. Okay, this is what you have to do. Once you do this, then in the Zoom app, you'll be able to get the breakout room option. Okay, now that you're enabled breakout rooms in the settings, now once you log into a Zoom session, at the bottom you can see this particular option, breakout room. Okay, so now other option, only the host can create breakout rooms. Even the co-host will not have the option. So you have to be a host. Let me check. That's me and I'm host. So that's the reason I have the breakout rooms. So let's click breakout rooms. And there are two options where automatically or manually. Example, if I just want two rooms, then it will automatically divide with based on the number of participants. You'll just divide 3 participants per room. So that's in this case, you can't decide which participant goes to which room. If you want to decide, then click manually. Okay, and then click create rooms. Right now it has created 2 rooms, but it has not assigned anything. If you want to rename it, you can rename it. Okay, and now before we assign, I just wanted to show this one. Options, click this option. The couple of things you need to be aware. Move all participants into breakout room automatically. When this is checked, automatically the participants are added into the breakout room. So there is no prompt as such. So the system will not ask them whether you want to move or not. So it just puts them into that room. And this one allow participant to return to the main room at any time. So once the participant is put into the breakout room, so he or she will get an option if they want, whenever they want, they can come back to the main room if this is tick. And how much time do you want the breakout room? This is one example. You want 5 minutes or 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you can set here. If you don't have any time limit and you want it for unlimited time, then untick this. So they can stay for how much ever time they want. And whenever you decide, you can come. You can close as a host or they can come out of that. Okay. Let me set this for say, 10 minutes. And this one notify me when the time is up. So when this time 10 minutes is up, it notifies me and it asks me whether I want to continue with the session or close it. So I can decide I can close it. And once I click close, then the counter starts for the participant in the breakout room, telling that 10 seconds. So within 10 seconds, the breakout room will close, so they can just wind up whatever they're discussing. That's what it is. Right. So keep this. And now, once we have the option, make sure every time you go through this and enable it based on your requirement. Now I can assign. In this, the host name will not be there. So it's only the participants. So I can just assign 1, 2, 3, and here. Once you assign them, then you will have. Now I can say open all breakout rooms. It's going, you can see here, once they join the breakout room, you can see the green circle here, symbol here. So these people, when it's showing, that means they have not yet joined. What happens is sometimes if they're not there in the main screen and if they're in the participant screen, this happens. So you just have to tell them to come out from the participant screen, then they can go there. Being a host, you can actually join if you want to just being a host, you'll be in the main room, but you can decide If you want to go and join, we can go and join there, that particular room. Yes. So I'm joining the breakout room. Yep, I can see the participant, everything here. I'll get the same, being a host, I can share the screen there. I can record or anything I can do. And if I want to leave the room, I can just leave. From here, I can leave the breakout room or leave the meeting or end the meeting for all. So I'll just leave the breakout room. I'll go back to the main room. So now again, I'll click. Now, if I want to close, I can just close all rooms. Click that. So as I mentioned the countdown, so that's what it's showing, the countdown. The same thing will be shown to the participant also. Once the time is up, all of them will come back to the mains. You can see them coming back. Yep. Now we can continue with this session. Right. Okay. Thank you.